Easy English. Assembling Furniture 101. Hello learners. Welcome to our new video. Today, we're focusing on a common household task that many of us find ourselves dealing with. Assembling furniture. From a new chair to a bookshelf, furniture assembly is a skill we all need at one point or another. It's also a fantastic opportunity to improve your English language skills. So, let's jump right in. Before we can start assembling furniture, we need to make sure we're familiar with the essential vocabulary. 1. Furniture. This is a general term for movable objects that are used to support various human activities. Examples include chairs, tables, beds, etc. 2. Assembly. This is the process of putting together the parts or pieces of something, like furniture. 3. Manual. This is a booklet that gives you instructions on how to do something. 4. Tools. These are devices that help you do work. When assembling furniture, you might need a screwdriver, a hammer, or a wrench. 5. Parts. These are the individual pieces that make up the furniture. They could be screws, nails, planks, and other components. Now that we're familiar with the vocabulary, let's look at some common phrases and sentences you might encounter or use when assembling furniture. 1. The instructions are in the manual. 2. We need a screwdriver to assemble this. 3. Please hand me that hammer. 4. These parts don't seem to fit together. 5. This furniture is difficult to assemble. 6. I can't find the instructions for this step. Practicing a real-life situation in English can be very helpful. Let's consider a dialogue between two friends, John and Sarah, who are trying to assemble a bookshelf. John. Hey Sarah, could you pass me the manual? Sarah. Sure, here it is. What does it say for the next step? John. It says we need the screwdriver and 4 screws. Sarah. Okay, I have the screwdriver. But I can only find 3 screws. John. Let's look again. They must be here somewhere. And there you have it, everyone. We hope that this video helps you feel more confident both in assembling furniture and using English to discuss it. Remember, practice makes perfect. So don't be afraid to rewatch this video or practice these phrases with friends or family members. Until next time, keep practicing and improving your English. Happy learning!